Hi, so this is a Canon G5X. So I've been fortunate to get this camera. It's a customer's camera and they wanted it converting to full spectrum. So I'm pleased to say I've successfully done that and it's now suitable for infrared photography. Specific filters can be used to isolate certain parts of the wavelengths of light. This allows you to achieve different effects of infrared photography, such as faux IR and monochrome. You can also use colour correcting filters like this when you take a custom white balance reading to actually use the camera as you would before it was converted. Being modified also allows this camera to see infrared light. So the advantage of that is that it can see that light that we can't in the dark. So it makes it ideal for ghost hunting, paranormal investigation, ecological surveys, or even studying nocturnal wildlife. So to take advantage of this, what we'd do is we'd just fit one of these infrared illuminators to the top of the camera. So the G5X has a very capable spec. So it's got HD movies at 25 or 50 frames per second. Just remove this illuminator. You can see on the top of the camera, it's got the usual controls. You've got your program mode and you've got aperture and shutter priorities, manual, you've got custom modes, different scenes, video, and obviously if you want to just shoot and go or point and shoot, then you've got an auto mode. You've got quick and easy access to your exposure controls, so you can brighten up and dark things down. You've got different metering modes there. A little jog wheel on the front of the camera to allow easy navigation through the menus, and I think that's for manual. When you're in manual focus or manual mode, you can focus accordingly. So this camera is equipped with a 1-inch sensor, so it makes it really excellent at yielding light. We've also got an EVF, probably just trigger that by holding over the sensor there. Got a cold shoe adapter, well, a hot shoe, so as we suggest, that can be used for mounting a flash gun or an illuminator as such. So in aperture mode, if we just click that down, you'll see that f1.8, and it will actually go down, yeah, to 1.8, f1.8 through to f11. So you get some reasonable control with a 1-inch filter over the depth of field. So having Wi-Fi connectivity also allows you to pair your camera to your smartphone. So you can take advantage of it's a Canon app that you can download. This is shown on the iPhone, and it's really easy to use. So you can see you can get control over zoom, etc., shooting modes and timer intervals. There are a few other basic settings as well that can be found in the menus. They're not as comprehensive as what you'd find on board on the camera, but some of them are quite useful. So in addition to the zoom, you've got some control over aperture and exposure values as well. So as I said, some of the settings are quite handy to have and quite easy to gain access to directly via the app. So as you can see there, at this setting you can get right up to an f11 down to f1.8, which is a really good wide aperture. So you see how truly amazing this camera is and how it performs in the dark when the lights are out. So hopefully that's helped to provide a brief understanding of the camera, what it can achieve, how it can be used for infrared photography and also for ghost hunting. saying if you feel free to leave your comments in the comments section. Give us a thumbs up. Most importantly, please subscribe to my channel and you'll see more videos like this in the future. Okay, bye for now.